Hello everybody and welcome to the first episode of Least Used Stations. I'm your host, Boom the Railway Cat, and today we're at Beaulieu Road, the least used station in Hampshire, which is located on the southwestern main line. So let's have a look at the station. So here is the PERTIS machine, or the permission to travel machine, and it's out of order. So if you live near Beaulieu Road, you have to use your phone to book train ticket. There is an information help point. I don't know if it works, but look at that. So this is the weirdest thing ever. How to use this machine. Please insert maximum number. It's a very weird thing, but it's out of service. So, oh. What the? Is there anything in there? No. Just weird. No, no loose change. So what? How does this work then? Weird, isn't it? I've never seen one of these before in my life, so that's why I'm rather confused. We've still got up to date, like, you know, posters and stuff. That's cool. And oh, the bridge is the car bridge. I'll just go onto the main platform and show you that. So these are the stairs, look, behind the Beaulieu Road sign. That's nice, isn't it? So there you have the stairs. Go to the very bushy car bridge, and down the other side, which leads to the PERTIS machine, and got a sign, and that, and it is raining, and all the dot matrix displays are out, so I assume that means there aren't going to be any announcements, which is probably why I missed the train that came through just after I got here. And this is the most interesting train station I've ever been to. We've got some houses and an extension by the looks of things, Beaulieu Road sign and New Forest National Park, and a house right there, and that's basically all there is. It's literally in the middle of nowhere. It's a lovely little station, this. I mean, it's, you know, very kind of remote. There's another train coming. I'm going to go on the other platform and show you the car park. That's basically the car park. I mean, I think the parking's free, so there you go, that's the isn't it? When do you get free station car parking? Oh, Beaulieu Road. So I'm going to do a bridge walk over and film it in case like a train comes or something, so I don't miss it. And I don't have any money for the PERTIS machine. I wanted to try it, but you know, also it's out of service. So goodbye, PERTIS machine. And let's walk over the bridge. There we go. See if I can see it going away. So this is the bridge. It's a nice view. And what's Is that an open top bus? Gosh. Oh, it's a tour. Looking at Beaulieu station. Beaulieu Road. Station entrance.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if there was like an absolute sort of. I didn't think there was.
Oh, it's a heavy gate. Cool. So I've never been to a station without a working dot matrix thing, so I have no clue if my train is running on time or not. But I guess that's the thing I'll never know. This is the car park. Thanks for watching this episode of Least Used Station. It's my first least used station and it's been fun, so thank you very much for watching everyone, and remember to stay alert.